Tito Jeff here, Ormoc City, Leyte the Philippines. Day 15 of our renovations on the house. And you can see the guys here have started working on the terrace roof. There was a piece of wood there that held that up. It was bolted to the concrete wall, and that piece of wood was rotten. So they've got a temporary post there to hold the roof up. When they took it out, I had to have a temporary post to hold that up so it wouldn't fall. And we're going to fix the gutter. You can see the gutter here. This red stuff here. It's loose. It needs to be repaired. Got some leaks. And so they've started working on that today. You see the garage is gone. Completely gone. Tomorrow we buy the steel. Alan's in here finishing up the tray ceiling. Tray ceiling. And it's looking pretty good. Going to have a wood grain finish on that. And we should get this room painted and ready for occupation today. And another big deal today is aircon installation. So the guys have showed up to install the aircon. You can see the wall unit there. And outside they will install the heat pump. So we got some temporary power in here to test it with. And then our electrician will come and finish running lines to this. Hopefully tomorrow. We don't know. So we got aircon going in. We got painting finishing up. I think the bathroom is pretty much painted. Maybe a little touch up in here or something. Maybe in November we'll remodel the bathroom. It needs some work. But I didn't want to do that right now. So here we go. We're getting the paint on the ceiling. Nice white enamel paint. Shiny and beautiful. Let's go back here and check in with Nanay. Oh, we're painting the kitchen. You don't want the light, Jacinto? Wala light? Wala light? Ah, they took the power. Okay. So they borrowed some of the wires that we needed to run the electricity. Oh, we can plug that back in. There we go. All right, I'm not sure why that was disconnected. We got a light back here for Jacinto now. You can see the paint. And we got the beautiful, fabulous princess here today. And she's keeping everybody under control. She's mainly here for moral support. And she does some cleaning. And just good to have her around. She's a sweet girl. So, dishes are washed from lunch. Put away. And that's it for part 2 of day 15 here in Ormoc City, Leyte, the Philippines.